Hello students. Now in this video we are going to study nutrition in animals in general and then nutrition in amoeba in detail. Now we have already studied till now that nutrition is of two types. The first type of nutrition is autotrophic nutrition, in which organisms they prepare their own food as shown by green plants. And the second type of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition, in which organisms they cannot prepare their own food and they depend on other organisms for nutritional requirements. Now this heterotrophic type of nutrition is further divided into three kinds: parasitic, saprophytic, and the third kind is holozoic nutrition. Parasitic and saprophytic we have already studied in great detail. Now the third kind of nutrition, holozoic nutrition. All animals they exhibit holozoic nutrition, and holozoic nutrition is a kind of heterotrophic nutrition. So we can say that animals they show holozoic and heterotrophic nutrition. Fine. Now what is this holozoic nutrition? As you can see on your screen, it is a mode of nutrition that involves ingestion of solid or liquid food and subsequently its digestion, absorption and assimilation to utilize it. So holozoic nutrition, it has got various steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation. Okay, so this kind of nutrition is called holozoic nutrition, in which the food is taken inside the body. Now the next topic is the different steps in the process of nutrition in animals, or you can say the different steps of holozoic nutrition. Both the things are same. So there are basically 5 steps in holozoic nutrition. The first step is ingestion. Ingestion is a process of taking food into the body. It's simply a process where food is taken inside the body. Now food can be taken inside the body by different means. For example, most of the animals they do what? They take the food inside the body through their buccal cavity, mouth के through food अंदर लेते हैं. And unicellular organisms they don't have a mouth like amoeba, so they take food inside the body with the help of pseudopodia. So what I mean to say here is that ingestion is taking in food, only the structures might differ. एक में हम माउथ के थ्रू अंदर ले रहे हैं फूड, दूसरे में with the help of pseudopodia, but food is going inside the body. So taking in food is ingestion, structures might differ. Now after ingestion, the next step is digestion. Digestion is a process in which the food containing large insoluble molecules is broken down into small water soluble molecules. So this step is known as digestion. Digestion in simple words is breakdown. The breakdown of complex food material into simpler forms is digestion. For example, if you are consuming chapati, roti खाते हो आप, so basically it is what? It is starch, which is a complex food. So with the help of digestion step, in various steps what happens? This complex starch is broken down into simpler glucose. So digestion में this is happening. Similarly, if you are consuming protein, so after various steps of digestion, it's not a single step process. After various steps of digestion, protein is completely broken down into simpler form amino acid. So fats are also digested into fatty acids and glycerol. Now, the amino acids, glucose, fatty acid, glycerol, these are the digested products that are formed after the process of digestion, and these products are then absorbed. Next step is absorption. See, absorption is simply a process where the digested food, digested nutrients, they are taken up. When I say taken up, means they are taken up into the bloodstream in case of higher animals. In case of lower animals, they are taken up into the general body. पूरी बॉडी में डिफ्यूज कर जाते हैं. So absorption simply means the taking up of the digested nutrients. Then we come to the next step, that is assimilation. Now whatever is absorbed is useless until it is utilized in the body. So assimilation is a process in which the absorbed nutrients are utilized in the body. And utilized in body for what? They are utilized in body to provide energy, for growth and repair, and all these things. So assimilation is actually its utilization. Then the last step, digestion. After all these steps, there remains some food that is undigested. Okay, so the removal of this undigested food is called egestion. Okay, ingestion, taking in of food. Egestion means throwing out of undigested food. So these are the basically 5 steps of nutrition that are followed in all animals exhibiting holozoic mode of nutrition. Now, the next topic is nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba, it also exhibits holozoic mode of nutrition. So it will also show all these steps. So the first point in this is nutrition in amoeba is amoeba exhibits holozoic nutrition. This is to be remembered, often asked in the examination. And second thing is that this topic, nutrition is in amoeba, is really very important for your board point of view. It is always and always asked in the examination. So amoeba, it shows holozoic mode of nutrition. It basically feeds on a small bacteria and other small protists in the water. Now the process of obtaining food by amoeba is called phagocytosis. You have learned in detail in class 9th how phagocytosis operates. What is phagocytosis? The taking in of food by plasma membrane. Now first step in amoeba nutrition is also ingestion. In this what happens? Amoeba ingests food by forming temporary finger-like projections called pseudopodia around it. तो फूड के किनारे it forms temporary finger-like projections of plasma membrane called pseudopodia. Then the food is engulfed inside, and once inside the body of amoeba, the food is in the form of food vacuole, which is like temporary stomach. The food vacuole के अंदर the food goes and gets stored in the form of food vacuole in the body. Now what happens in food vacuole? Next step, digestion. The digestive enzymes in amoeba, they act on the food vacuole and break down the food ingested by amoeba into simpler form. So digestion is done in food vacuole. Then once the digestion step is completed, what happens? We have digested nutrients. Next step, absorption. So the digested nutrients are absorbed by simple diffusion into the general body of amoeba. And similarly, next step, Once this food is the nutrients are absorbed, they are utilized by amoeba to form for respiration and to form new things in body of amoeba. And last step is egestion. Whatever is undigested is thrown out of the body again by simple diffusion into the water, and this is known as egestion. So we have seen that these five steps, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion, are steps of holozoic nutrition that takes place in both amoeba and in other animals. Now have a look at this diagram, how these all these steps they operate. You can see on the screen the structure of amoeba. It has a nucleus in the center, the dark spot, and plasma membrane, then food particle in red you can see. Next diagram you can see that amoeba is forming this one. I will enlarge it. Amoeba is forming pseudopodia by plasma membrane, and food is getting surrounded by it. The pseudopodia is surrounding the food. So these two steps, first and two, these two steps, they are showing ingestion step, how amoeba is taking in food inside the body. The next step you can see this one, second one, the food is inside the food vacuole. This one, the food is inside the food vacuole. Here the digestive enzymes they act on it and digest the food. So digestion step is completed here, second one. And then you can see the third step, this one. In the third step what happens? In the third step the absorbed food is assimilated in the body. Absorption is done. Second step it was digestion, and third step the food is absorbed in the body. You can see dots in the body of amoeba. The food is absorbed. And in the fourth step, this one, the fourth step, you will see that the absorbed nutrients are utilized to make new things to provide energy in amoeba. This is assimilation. And the last step, the food is being thrown out, the undigested food is being thrown out. This one is egestion. So there you can see there are total 5 steps. 1 ingestion occurring in steps, धीमे धीमे ingest हो रहा, then digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Total 5 steps are there. Okay, I hope this one is clear. Don't get confused. Again I am repeating the key points, that holozoic all animals they exhibit heterotrophic nutrition, and in heterotrophic what? Holozoic mode of nutrition, and so is exhibited by amoeba. And what are the different steps in that? Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. Fine. So I hope we have done with this. Next video we will start the next topic. Thank you. Take care.